amazing new phone just launched India, and it launched on 28th August 2023. So can you guess the name of the phone? Let's count.
3, 2, 1.
Vivo V29e launched on 28th August and has amazing features and all-meta display and rear camera. Look at the camera, 64 megapixel, and also look at the examples. And it's designed with amazing color, and the selfie camera is 50 megapixel, so you will not lose focus at all. Eye autofocus. All of these mind-blowing features have in this phone, but we should to say the processor of this phone is kinda old. Now let's unbox this phone and see what has this amazing phone. The phone, after unboxing, it's looking like this. So the phone looking like this, and the camera is awesome, even front or back camera, and the apps is looking like this, and this is the checking up the phone live, like you see guys. Also, it is thinner than pen. For more videos like that, just hit the subscribe button.